Going on, everybody? Today is Monday. Just getting off of working all weekend. Didn't do much Saturday. Ended up getting tied up with something at my shop, helping my uncle. And we worked yesterday. Got some more of that leach field done. Headed there this morning. Go and get more of that done. Hopefully finish running our leach field lines and get that done, and then hopefully tie in the D-box, and we'll call for inspection early this week. So we will see you guys. I'm actually off to go get some breakfast right now, go to Dunkin', and then yeah, so we will see you guys in a bit. Turkey, sausage, egg, and cheese, please.
You said a sausage, egg, and cheese?
Turkey, sausage, egg, and cheese.
Okay.
Order hash browns.
Okay.
And an apple juice.
Okay.
That'll be
Go
it.
for it.
Thank you.
How you doing, honey?
Good, how about you?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. Alright guys, here on the job site. We're going to continue running our 40 mil barrier along that edge. And take out some more of this sand. Continue running it this way. Run our 5 feet this way. And continue running our field. So yeah, got the chest mount on, give you guys some POV shots today. And we'll keep cranking this morning. Pressing they come back down on me. Just dry it out a little bit. Alright, so we need 10 feet from that bell to the end of our pipe here. 9, 10, perfect. This one looks like it might be a little short. No, we're good. Okay, start bringing some stone. We're a little bit higher with the sand, which is what I wanted. Just a little bit less stone we got to use. And plus I had some low spots to it too, so that's good. Kind of keeps the sand at the same elevation as it was back there, rather than when you step the pipe up, because you're doing your pitch on your pipe, it uses more and more stone. So if you kind of if you just kind of go a little bit more with the sand, it kind of compensates for that pitch difference in your pipe versus your stone. So you're kind of using the same amount, a little bit more, the same amount of sand, if not a little bit more, and in the same amount of stone, rather than using more stone, trying to make up for the difference from the bottom of your, or the top of your sand to the bottom of your pipe. So do it. I don't do it with every project, but some of them, when I'm running a little bit tight on stone, you can get away with it. So that's what we're doing here. Get a drink of water here.
Thank you for calling us, Addie. This is Sarah. May I help you?
Hey, Sarah, Connor Fleury from Fleury Excavation. How's it going?
Hey, good. How are you?
Good. Didn't know what your guys' schedule was like today. I didn't know if I could get like another 8 yards, 1.5 inches.
Everyone is pretty jammed up today. I wouldn't be able to guarantee anything, and we're even looking at like Wednesday morning right now for delivering.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to come see us?
Yeah, I might have to drive my truck out there. Yeah, I'll have the script together what I got then. Maybe I'll see if I just wanted to call to see if it's possible to get today.
If anything happens and I can, I'm going to call you, okay?
Okay.
If I don't see you first.
Okay. That works.
Awesome. Thanks, sweetheart.
Thank you, Sarah.
Hey,
Yeah,
bye, dear. Bye.
And TJ Park Mulch.
Hi, do you guys have 1.5 crushed stone?
Let's see. Like concrete, mason? No.
No, crushed stone.
Like trap rock, kind of like?
Yes, correct.
Okay. We have 3/8, 3/4, and 1.5 inch.
Yeah, so 1.5 inches. Yeah, okay. What's the 1.5 inches?
They're all $47 a yard, sir.
Okay. Alrighty, that's all I need. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, so we got some stone located. I don't know why I keep getting myself in this situation with this stone. Every system I've built, even last year, has always been like a triaxle load of stone. I don't know if they're loading these trucks lighter now or something, or what, but I've always just been barely short. I was short in that last septic I did too. I have to call the freaking day of, because it's always like, you know, I've done it before where I've ordered too much and I thought I didn't have enough and I actually did. And I'm always like, I'm on the fence about it. And then I start burning it up more and it turns out I need it. So, I don't know, we'll burn up what we got. At least I got some located. I can go get some in the F550 if I have to. With a gravel bank right across the street from my shop. So, nice and close if we really have to. But either way, we'll get it done. Do what we gotta do. It's not like they even wash it anymore either, so we gotta wash it on site. It sucks. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so we're gonna make sure we have 5 feet on this side. Oh yeah. 5 feet right to there. And 3, oh shoot. Oh shoot. 3 of stone, we're gonna have to clean that up a bit. 4.5, which is fine. And then this is gonna be really whatever it can be. So make sure we maintain 3 feet of stone here. That's going to come out a little bit too. And 3 feet of spacing in between. That's a 3 foot 2. They're a little bit fading apart. Not bad though. Alright, let's get some stone on this. Make sure let's put this in my thing. not get more stone yet. I just want to see where I'm at first. I gotta get a couple of those tomorrow again. Every bit matters. Ooh, it's getting hot out. Whew. Come on, door. Bazinga. Bazinga. We got her. Alright guys, got the last 2 rows set here. Set, and I just gotta finish stoning it, but they're set to elevation. Just gotta finish running this one, dig this out, then I'll dig this around, cut it, and then kind of clean this whole area up with my 5-foot, connect it, and then we'll have to set our D-box and everything from up there and tie it in by hand. A little bit of handwork to do here. Gotta clean up this stone a little bit, clean up the edges, but she's pretty much in as of right now. Very little work to do here, and be ready for inspection probably later tomorrow. I'll call and see when we can get an inspection, but other than that, we're done for today, and we'll be back tomorrow. Got the tank getting pumped tomorrow, and then I have to bring in a couple 1-ton loads of 1.5-inch stone because we ran out, but only by a little bit. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.